Things are changing, boys. Things are changing.
Real safety guys. Absolutely. Yeah, he's right here. Right, just open real quick. Real quick.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Way to go. I got it. I don't got it.
Was it any more awesome than the first one, though? I don't know.
It didn't seem like.
It'll be balls. Thank
Alright, get the camera off me.
Yes, that's exactly what I want. Right over there. We got a nice room to be off.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, baby.
Perfect. Couldn't ask for anything more. Alright, so we'll fucking close the fire now.
Load her up.
You need a little bit more. Your hands in the way. You think that's alright?
It's fine.
Do we have any empty fucking silver bullets we can fill up with water or what?
Alright, shut that fucking thing off, will you?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna loosen the thing. You got the load?
Yep.
I'm gonna put the foot in the car and I'll fucking pack it full of my tasty load. You don't like my tasty load. There it is.
Oh, she likes that tasty load.
Shoot that shit to the moon. Ah, see, it's just like keeping the ball back. Yeah, it did.
You need to crease it
So
up
I
a
need to
little bit.
punch it.
No, you need WD-40 down.
No, the ball creates a suction with the tube.
Well, it should open it up then.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Chris, open that up. Open
There
that
it is. We're good.
Section 1. Wait for compressor to come on and activate switch number 2. Yeah. We'll get this motherfucker flying. Tennis ball. But I'm gonna. Wait for the pump to come up. So you get it all over again. The way I did it. Don't be a pussy. Double charge. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy. Well, that was your shitty roll. Good. What do you want to do? I can turn it off so it's nice to get more air in there.
How are we doing?
No, shut it off. Wait for the compressor to stop. Then you inject another 20 pounds or so. Alright, now open it up. Hear that? Now it stopped. That's all you're gonna get.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, fire. Definitely seemed like more hang time than the little one.
Sweet. See you later, Tony.
Hey, have a good night, man.
Talk to you later.
Boo!